What's up you guys, my name is Mair, you're watching Mair Hungry YouTube channel. How to make baby lamb chop, how to marinate the baby lamb chops for the grill. So here I have at least 3 pounds of baby lamb chops. I have cut into mostly single pieces. Couple of them were like too skinny, so I just let them to be 2 chops together, and this is the final cut. I have 15 pieces right here. So we will make the best marinade. I'm telling you again. First we will grab all this meat. The meat is right here. We will marinate these baby lamb chop with the dry ingredients and some fresh ingredients right here. First thing I'm telling you guys, at least 3 pounds of baby lamb chops. Chop up half lemon, and we need with the skin on. It's all fine. Just make sure you wash the lemon before. So half lemon goes in here. Garlic, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. If you like more spicy, put 2 jalapenos, but I would say just add 1 whole jalapeno in here. Half of the onion. This is all fresh dice. Add it right here. This is cumin. We will add 1 tablespoon of cumin. If you have cumin powder, you can definitely use that. Take a look on this. This is coriander, crushed. 1 whole tablespoon goes in here. Red chili powder, salt, half tablespoon. Black pepper, at least half tablespoon. This is white distilled vinegar. I would say at least 4 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar. Canola oil, I'm adding at least 6 tablespoons of oil in here. Wonderful, right? It looks so good. Take a look, all these magic ingredients. The last thing what we have to add, some ginger in here, at least 40 to 50 grams of ginger. So the ginger goes in here, right? Let's blend this. Lamb chops marinade is right here, perfectly ready. It's a fine smoothie. This is what we need. All right, we will grab our meat. This is meat tenderizer. You can use any brand. Just 1 tablespoon of meat tenderizer. It will help us on a big time. It will help us for our meat to get, soft. All right, this whole big jar goes in here. Yes, look at this now. Use your hand, just massage it on top of our, yes sir, baby lamb chops. What a beautiful recipe is this. It's dairy free, gluten free. Yes, I can tell you that. Wonderful. Take a look. This is the marination right here. Fully marinated lamb chops. Let's put this marination in the fridge for at least minimum time frame is 1 hour. So everything gets mixed up pretty well in here. After 1 hour, I'll be having my charcoal grill ready, and then we will be cooking this, and I'll show you the moment of truth related to this recipe. Welcome back to my outdoor kitchen. So you guys have seen I have set my charcoal grill. It's been 40 minutes. The charcoal has been perfectly cooked. I would say they are perfectly ready to add the meat on. It's been more than an hour for our lamb chops, the baby lamb chops. Yes, perfectly done. They are fully marinated. Yes, so very easy step now. We will just grab our lamb chops and place them nicely onto the fire, onto the charcoals actually. So the cook time for this marination will be at least 5 minutes each side, but we will flip the lamb chops after 3 minutes initially once we put on to the grill. Now I'll put half lemon right here so it gets cooked, and couple of the jalapenos just right in the middle so they get cooked with the meat. It's been a couple minutes guys. I'll give an initial flip. Yes, just like that. Look at this tender meat. Wow. Alright guys, it's been 8 minutes. I've been flipping our baby lamb chops. So this is the perfect time right now. You can check the meat from the inside if you want to go with the thermometer. As a chef, I know they are perfectly done. Some naan breads, like a couple of them. Okay, this will be our dish out plate right here. I'll put 2 naan breads right here. You can have just regular breads. Alright, take a look on this baby lamb chop. Look at the sizzle. We'll put 1. Right. Look on this guy. 2, 3. So tempting looking good recipe, huh? We still have a lot going on, guys. I can tell you. Presented just the way it is, I'm telling you. A roasted lemon, a roasted jalapeno. Take a look on this beautiful recipe, guys. We made it from the scratch. It's all perfectly done. Enjoy this recipe, try this out. All the marination I have told you, it's super tender. In a minute, I'll do the moment of truth where you're gonna see the meat from the inside. Let me put some lemon with that. Ooh. And here you go, guys. Look at this. Perfectly done, super soft. It's not dry. It's just like it melts in your mouth. Put some lemon juice. Here you go. Thank you so much for watching this recipe, guys. Make this easy, simple baby lamb chops marination for your next lamb chop barbecue. You'll be amazed by this fresh, it's soothing recipe actually. It has sourness, it has spicy kick, and it is salty, and the lamb and the charcoal flavor. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe to the channel, and bye bye for now.